was really thinking, like I said, I don't know how much space you need. So over here, it's a nice little space in here. So yeah, you got a 40, it's a 40 footer right here.
Or is that a 53?
Yeah, this
52?
is more than a 40 actually.
Hell yeah.
So you can't get a big, call the window guys, they'll come out here and take these windows out, put some new windows in. I mean, you know what I'm saying? It's a fun space.
There's a lot right here. And then where I put my sign up right here? Right here.
Yeah, right there.
Boom.
You can build it, you can take that down, build a new one. He built this one right here. It's a tiny little one, but yeah, that's his.
Yeah. Got the gas station across the street. Gas is cheap.
It is what it is.
I appreciate the opportunity.
And then we'll go from there and see how it works. So whatever you're doing right now, it's gonna be from here and there. On the main area first.
I didn't even see the other AC unit in there.
No, that's just a shell.
Oh.
Scrape off all these things off this glass.
We love money.
Yeah.
On them.
Yeah. Clean it up real nicely, paint, fresh paint, all these windows, doors, fresh painted. Could be all black.
Yeah. Black, gray, and green and red, bright colors. So when we buy bikes, sell bikes, trade, the same shit on here. So you see it. Today's the first day we officially got the keys to the new Landing Spider Stunto Fox. As in landing pattern, stunt land is working. Been a long time working to get here. We've been working. We can really pull up and start to remodel, demolition, start going through this thing, start getting this thing together. Where you running to? Alright, so pretty much we got all this. Day one demolition. Time to move. I got all the handy dandy workout crew right here. Black with arms crossed and shit, the strongest one. Fucking, I'm gonna turn my arm off, man. Niggas a liability before we get started. But yeah, we just moved that stuff. I think we're gonna put it over here. So this is what the next project be. We're gonna have to seal this up, make sure it's not leaking, no water in there. I wanna cut down all the grass around it. Look at that rabbit. I'm fuck out of here. Still thought I was dead. So with everything, we gotta do the bathroom over, take everything down, make sure everything's straight in here.
The plumbing, right?
We got water on. It's gas here. Let's see about taking that down. And then once we pull everything down, clean it out, we're gonna see about all the wires running here. Look at this old ass power box. I ain't see one. I never.
There's an old power box.
Yeah, and then the heater right here, this work, but we can revamp that and put a newer system in here.
Right. Probably something smaller, you think?
Yeah, something efficient. And then we take all these lights down, put some LED lights all back through.
What's that? At the top of the pipe right there?
Oh, that's a seal.
Gotcha.
And then like over here, we just still. I was thinking about putting like a wall right here. We can open that wall up.
Like a divider?
Yeah, but where we can.
That's smart.
But we're gonna open that wall, that door. We're gonna take that out and we're gonna put a double door, glass door open. Over here, and then we're gonna do the RC, the nitro, and RC over here. We'll take one of these stations and just turn it sideways right here. You have an area to repair. You got electric lights, and then we can use another setting over here or something. Sit some cars out or whatever the case may be. Back here, I got the light, the generator. But back here, this is, so yeah, we'll be building bikes and shit, working over here, repairs right here. But I was saying we can open up this wall right here. I was thinking about opening up right here. Knock out this right here, cut out that. So this,
Right.
up to like right here. To this first beam right here, take that out.
Yeah.
And then we can have a different door, or we can make a wall where we can, and then area right here. Then we can just do like, showroom and custom builds and sales right in here.
So like the customers can see the work and stuff?
Yep, we can just line them up this way, and then the other ones could be turned this way, off and sell.
Are you
And progress is getting made. What I tell you, the big old little straw nigga over there. I told you, yeah. I told you, he hired. Fired in the same day too. Ripped my goddamn arm off in the interview. We're getting progress around here.
Okay, cool.
Good, my progress. What we doing over here, huh?
Putting in work, man. Putting in major work.
Oh, you see it. Busting the glass on that ass. First dump load right here. We got the floors coming up in here. We got my tube going, knocking this out right here. We're gonna get this thing going. Coming along so far. Getting the dust under control. Great move the cars, clean the street out.
Dang, you better catch. You got what you said. You said crack.
Man, selling crack rocks.
That's what that lady said. Right early, you said crack.
All right, we getting some progress done. Everything all cleaned out. All the carpets up. We'll start tomorrow. Doing more work, demolition. Got the outside looking pretty good. Shout out to my team that did tremendous work for day one. Stay tuned. Headquarters before and after. Then I clean up around the trailer. Time to remove the wall. Getting the lights done. Taking all the panels down off the walls. So we can start sealing all the cracks in the bricks. Lights, bricks. That's the goal today, and rewiring. Let's go. All the wires are pulled out. The wall's open. I'm gonna move this frame. Everything's done. Cleared out. We're getting it. Everything's taken down. Next thing is clearing off of the windows. Cleaning up outside. Rest of the trash. Let's go. Polk County. Just like the bike, red, white, and blues. Harold. I think it's Polk County. Two different counties. On the other side of the cop cars, it says something different. So you see it. First customer coming for a quick tire repair. Shop is under the way of working. Still going. Got Swing by Man Rally just touched down. You're gonna see a lot of him around here. Yeah, we getting it done. We getting progress done. We getting progress. Our first bike on there. First customer. Let's go. All right, we back to it. So this inner tube hole and stem broke off. So now we got a brand new one to install. Something like this. Supposed to. She sound good. First little pull. Alright, yo. Up and going. I'm gonna get the Expression WD-40 on and get it rolling better. I'm gonna peel it off so we can see that real numbers up under there. Wash it up on. And then we're gonna come back. So we're getting this thing going all the way. It's time to get it sprayed, get it rolling pretty good. To get that, we straighten the handlebars out already. We're gonna do an oil change. This is a 4-stroke. So yeah, we're gonna adjust to the brakes. Brand new inner tube in the back tire. Yeah, chain. Cleaning up the front. Oh, you see it. Time to hit the road. Yeah, baby. Alright, about to get this all changed. It's that first break-in all. Let's see what that looks like. We're gonna put some of that new one in there. So my first customer right here, we just did a one-on-one inspection, all changed, got everything ready for your grandson? This is for your grandson, right?
Yep.
And yeah, Michael.
Michael Judson.
Yep, so we're gonna be doing plenty more things like this around here. Stay tuned. All I want to hear is say you see it. Are you happy?
Yes.
Thank you, I appreciate that. Stay tuned. Quick clean out here. We're gonna fill in with some back rocks, clean up this next area, and we on. So. Coming along. Today's the day. Get some paint on the walls. Sealed up the cracks. Everything's cleaned up so far. So let's start the back wall. We're just doing all the trim to the ceiling, then we'll start rolling later. Come out here. But we're starting back wall. Let's go. So we're getting progress done. One wall's completed. About to put the first coat on. We did all the ceiling cracking. After we get that done, first coat, cut out the rest of this, start hitting the floor. Then this one room will be done complete today, and then we move on out there. Oh, you see it. Getting progress done. All walls done. It's time to hit the floor next. Starting to do the floor. Let's get it. Progress is getting done. Swing by. Handyman. So we're trying to turn this into a swing door. Swing out. But I missed that. Still need to cut out. So we need to knock that frame out. Take that bottom loose. And then we'll go somewhere. So far, got the wall out. Time to move this around. Put the switch inside here. Time to cut this frame base. Then we can start mounting our magic door.